Welcome to the CXO Talks, an extension of our newsletter named the CXO Journal and brought to you by GetItConnectGlobal.com. In this edition of the CXO Talks, let's look at how sports can inspire corporates. But before that, let's look at the big picture and understand the mission of the CXO Talk series. Our mission is to help all CXOs to be CXOs and entrepreneurs to manage and scale up their businesses systematically. As a strategy to achieve this mission, we will focus on one of the 10 important pillars which make up any company. With these 10 pillars as a base, we will discuss multiple relevant insights in the form of 4 T's, tips, techniques, templates, and tools, which will help you manage and scale up your business systematically. So let's start. Today we're going to discuss about an important pillar, operations, aka the execution excellence, and how CXOs can achieve it using corporate playbooks. Only individual superstars won't make a great team. Look at the best example of real-time execution excellence around us, the sports. Each member is part of the playing team because they have some skills. But only skills don't make them a great team. To make a great team, each player must be clear of his or her role, that too, in real time. In addition, while performing, they should be given what they need when they need it. That's what playbooks do. Sport teams and corporate teams are no different. If we want a corporate to execute excellence, let us copy the best practices from sports. Let us build our own corporate playbooks for specific capabilities. Every successful team has playbooks, which make them a great team. Similarly, every successful company should have corporate playbooks to make it a great company. What should corporate playbooks cover? Skills training. Train and certify required team members on the required skills. Role clarity. Give clarity about the R&R to the team and update the same in real time as and when needed. Provide what they need when they need. Create a go-to location where your team's members can easily access the required knowledge base. Examples of corporate playbooks: sales playbook, marketing playbook, digital transformation playbook, quality playbook, supply chain playbook, HR playbook, customer support playbook, data management playbook, customer onboarding playbook, channel partners management playbook, change management playbook, compliance playbook, new joinee onboarding playbook, any of your core capability playbook. Conclusion: there is a lot to learn about real-time execution excellence from sports. If you want your company to execute excellence, copy the best practices from sports. There is no point in having a great talent which works in isolation. The way sporting teams excel using playbooks, companies should also build our own corporate playbooks for specific capabilities which are critical for their business model. As a CXO, you should not only focus on individual skills or competencies. This is because it will not connect the dots. The dots will be connected when you also focus on their role clarity and provide what they need when they need it. Don't just build skills, build teams. It is important to have comprehensive corporate playbooks, at least for your identified core capabilities. That's what will make your company a great company. I hope this is helpful. Please do share your experiences in comments to make this discussion richer and let everyone learn more from the same. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to the channel. Let's connect in the next video with few more insights to manage and scale up your business systematically.